Hello student. Today we are going to learn about chapter class 5 chapter 2 the four operation next part is exercise related to 2.10. Okay, today we are going to learn about mixed word problem. In mixed word problem, what that we have to do multiplication and division, both the things using you have to calculate our answer. See here. See one example here. See, Rahul brought 32 boxes of mangoes. There were 140 mangoes in each box. Okay, he packed them into bags of 35 mangoes each. So how many bags does he need? Okay, for that, first we have to understand what we have to find. First, we have to find total number of mangoes, total number of mangoes, and then number 2 we have to find number of bags. Okay, now we have to do planning. See, to find total number of mangoes, we have to do divide. We have to do multiply the number of boxes with mangoes in each box. Then to find number of bags, we have to divide total number of mangoes by one bag contains. Let's doing. First, to find total number of mangoes. So total number of mangoes equal to number of mangoes into number of boxes. First we see given what we have: mangoes in one box equal to 140, 140, and boxes we have 32. So what we'll do, number of mangoes we have in one box is 140 multiply number of boxes 32. If we multiply it, we'll get 4480. Okay, so we got here there were 4480 mangoes. Now second we have to find number 2, to find number of bags. See, first we write here given total mangoes equal to, we got here 4480. Now we have to see a one bag contains how much? 35 mangoes. So therefore number of bags needed equal to total number of mangoes divided by number of mangoes in one bag. So it will be 4480 divided by 35. 35. Now let us divide 4480 by 35. See here, 1 jar 35. See here, 4480 divided by 135, we'll got a 1 jar. See here, we'll got here 35. If we minus it, we'll got here 14 minus 5, it will become 9 here. So 8 come here. Now we'll do it 2, we'll got here 70 minus it 8, 9 minus 7, we got 2 here. Okay, now see one thing, since 28 is smaller than 35, so we can, we will put 0 at the quotient in this way. Okay, so no need to do further, and so we can say that Rahul needs 120 bags. Now then we will going to see one more examples more here in this chapter. See here, see another example is given in your book is that suppose one person brought a refrigerator and 5 television set for rupees 8,630, and cost, if the refrigerator cost is 35,000, then find the cost of each television set. So what we'll do here, see, we have to first find the cost of 5 television set. That means cost of 5 television set equal to total cost minus cost of refrigerator. Then first we arrange the value in their place value, and then we'll do minus, and we'll get the cost of 5 television set. That means 45,630. Then what we'll find of cost of each television. For that reason, what we'll do, we have to divide. That means we have to divide the total cost of 5 television divided by cost of set of a number of television. That means we have 5 television, so the total cost of television was 45,630. so we divide it with 5, and we'll get 9,126. so the television set cost is equal to 9,216. okay, no, there is a mistake here. There, see, in your book it is 9,226 given, and see here there is given 9,216. Now see, let's divide. We divide here and we'll find the correct answer. What will it will be? See, 45630, when we divide with 5, see, 9 5s are 45. okay, 6 come here, 1 5 1. Now see, if we minus it, we'll got here 1 and take here 3, and then what we'll do, then we will do here 2, it will become 10, then put here 3 0, then 5 6 we'll got here 30. So our answer is 91220 912,626. so we can say that in our book, that is this answer is right and this is wrong, so the correct answer is this. And you can do one thing also, you can try to do this exercise at your home also. If you're unable to do any of these questions, please comment in my comment section so that I can do it for you and upload the video for your practice also. Okay, thank you.